Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sketch pens for coloring. First, always choose high-quality paper to prevent your colors from bleeding through. Next, select a good range of colors, considering both light and dark shades for depth. Before applying to your main artwork, always test your chosen colors on a scrap piece of paper to see how they look. Achieving a smooth, even finish is key. Apply light, consistent pressure to ensure your color goes down uniformly. Use small, circular motions rather than long strokes to prevent visible lines and streaks. For a seamless look, layer your colors gradually, building up intensity rather than applying too much at once. Blending is where the magic happens. To blend, simply overlap the edges of two different colors, using the lighter color to soften any harsh transitions. You can also use a colorless blender pen for extra smoothness. For shading, introduce darker shades in areas where light would naturally be blocked, adding depth to your artwork. For more precision, try outlining the areas you plan to color before filling them in. This helps keep your colors within the lines. To ensure your sketch pens last, always store them horizontally. This prevents the ink from pooling at one end and drying out the other. Also, gently clean pen tips with a damp cloth if they get dirty.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.